In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy drawings between futures contracts in Tradingview. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, being able to seamlessly transfer your carefully crafted technical drawings between charts can save you a ton of time and effort. Tradingview offers a straightforward way to do this. And today, I'll walk you through each step to make sure you can replicate your setups effortlessly across different futures contracts. By the end of this video, you'll be navigating Tradingview like a pro. Now, if you're new to Tradingview, it's one of the most popular charting platforms used by traders worldwide. If you don't already have an account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. All right, let's dive in. The first thing you'll need to do is open the chart for your first futures contract in Tradingview. This should be the chart where you've already created your drawings, things like trend lines, support and resistance zones, or any annotations you've added to your analysis. Once your chart is open, take a look at the far right edge of your Tradingview window. You'll notice a panel called the Object Tree if you're not familiar with it. The Object Tree is a powerful tool that organizes all the elements on your chart. It's like a directory or a filing cabinet for your drawings, making it easy to manage and select specific items. Go ahead and click on it to open the panel. Now that the Object Tree is open, take a moment to review the list of elements it contains. This is where you'll select the drawings you want to copy. If you only need specific items, you can click on them individually. For selecting multiple drawings, hold down either the Shift key or the Control key, depending on your operating system, and then click on each item you want. Alternatively, if you want to copy everything in the object tree, you can use the Select All option to highlight all the elements at once. Once you've made your selection, right-click on the highlighted items. From the context menu that appears, choose Copy. Before moving on, double-check that you've included all the critical elements you need, such as key lines, zones, or annotations. It's a good idea to ensure you haven't accidentally left anything out. Next, let's switch over to the new futures contract chart. To do this, navigate to the simple search bar located at the top left corner of your Tradingview screen. This is where you can type in the name or ticker symbol of the new futures contract you want to work with. Once you've entered the name or ticker, select the appropriate option from the search results. The chart for the new contract will load. Now, keep in mind, if you're running multiple indicators or your chart is heavily customized, it might take a moment for everything to fully load. Be patient and make sure the chart is ready before proceeding. Once the new chart is loaded, right-click anywhere on the blank chart space. From the context menu that appears, select Paste. Your drawings will now appear on this new chart. Finally, take a moment to review the pasted drawings. Check to ensure they're aligned correctly with the price data on the new contract. It's worth noting that minor adjustments might be necessary, especially if there are price differences between the two contracts. For example, trend lines or zones may need slight repositioning to match the new price levels accurately. This is perfectly normal, so don't worry if you need to make a few tweaks. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily copy your drawings from one futures contract to another in Tradingview, saving yourself the time and hassle of recreating them from scratch. If you have any questions or tips of your own, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.